Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm just going to show you how we can downgrade any iPhone from iOS 17 to iOS 16. This is my iPhone 11 and I'm just going through this process from downgrading to iOS 17 to iOS 16. So if you want to do this process, you have to follow me. I'm just going a very simple process and it will be very easy. Let me show you that my iPhone 11 is running on iOS 17.0. Here you guys can check here the iOS 17.0 and build number is this. So I will show you how we can downgrade without losing any data. You guys can see here I'm just using number of applications and my whole data is in my iPhone. So there are such kind of bugs like caller name not showing in calling screen. You guys can see here there is a blank screen here, or problems like slow app opening speeds and app crashing in the iOS 17. These such bugs are just kind of irritating and that's why I'm just downgrading to iOS 16. So I hope you will like this video. So let's start without any problem. Let's proceed. Let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, just simply jump to your computer screen. As you guys can see here, I'm on Windows. If you are on Windows or if you're having Mac system, you can use the software which I'm going to introduce you. So you have to just simply jump to the description box and a link will be given in the description of this software. Reboot iOS system repair and recovery. This software is from Tenorshare company. Okay, so it is providing these features. First of all, click to enter recovery mode, repairing the 150 plus iOS and iPad and tvOS system problems like stuck on Apple logo and not turning on or stuck in recovery mode, and reset of any iPhone and iPod or iPod touch without iTunes or any type of Finder app, repairing the phones which is stuck into the errors like 4013 or 4005. These are the very critical problems which this software is able to solve in few seconds. So as you guys can see here, this software is supported with iOS 17 beta. So what we have to do, just simply click on free download. This software is also available for macOS systems. So after downloading, just open this software and start installing. So just let me show you that how it is going to be installed. Let me show you some of the processes. Just click on install and it will install within a few seconds here. Like you guys can see here, it is quite quick and convenient. So let it download first, and after installing, just open this software. And I request you, if you are finding value here, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit on like button. So it's almost on 92% and that's it. Now click on start. This software has been successfully installed and let it open, and let me show you the full. And that's it, we have opened. Okay, so what we have to do, just open this software and now just connect your iPhone with your computer. So now you have to connect your iPhone with the genuine lightning cable. Make sure you have stable connection and do not interrupt the connection by unplugging the device. So make sure you have proper original wire, lightning wire, so that your iPhone is connected stably with your iPhone. Okay guys, here are number of features which this software can perform. So you guys can see here, it can repair iOS system, it can just enter your device in recovery mode, or if your device is stuck in recovery mode, you can just simply click on exit. Your iPhone will be exit from the recovery mode here. And you guys can see here, just detected that my iPhone 11 is connected successfully, and make sure your iPhone is connected too. Here is showing iOS downgrade and upgrade system iOS 17 beta. One click reset. You can reset your iPhone from this software by just clicking once. And here are some more features, so you can just check out all of them, and all of them are kind of genuine ones. So just click on iOS upgrade and downgrade, and you guys can see here just showing upgrade and here is showing downgrade. So we are already on iOS 17. So if you want to upgrade your iPhone from iOS 16 to iOS 17, you can also use this software. So if you want downgrade system, you can also use this software. So just click on downgrade, and now it is showing firmware version. It just detected, and it just detected iPhone 11 is connected now, which is on iOS 17, and it will download a firmware file. You have to download this firmware file. Okay, so just click on browse and make sure you select the directory where you want to save your file here. Okay, so let me select any of my drive. So just click on OK and click on start downloading, and now you have to wait for a while. Let it download first. It is going to take about kind of 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm just going to skip this video. So let it download first, and let me show you the next process. Now you guys can see here, it just successfully downloaded the firmware. Now click on initiate downgrade, and make sure before you start the process, make sure you back up all of your data to preserve. So make sure you back up first. Okay. So it's just showing deep downgrading. So it's just showing verifying firmware, please wait. So you have to wait for a while. It will take around 10 to 20 minutes. And that's it. You guys can see here my iPhone successfully downgrade completely. My software shows done. Okay, so just click on OK, and that's it. Now you can just simply you can turn off your computer, and the computer task is almost done here. Now you can just simply disconnect your iPhone from your computer and just let it turn on. So, and now here you guys can see here, this is my iPhone 11, and it just successfully downgraded from iOS 17 to iOS 16. So let's welcome to the iPhone, and that's it. Now let me show you in the settings that this my iPhone 11 is downgraded to iOS 16.6 from iOS 17.7. You can match the model number and serial number that this is my same iPhone 11, and in this way you can also downgrade your iPhone. So this is the very simple fix. You can use this software. Link will be available in the description below. You can go and check out, and that's it. This is the very simple fix. Hope you guys find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.